इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया है लेट अल्फा बीटा बी द रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशंस x माइनस a x माइनस b इक्वल्स टू c नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 देन द रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन x माइनस अल्फा x माइनस बीटा प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0 आर। तो पहला इक्वेशन हमें दिया है दैट इज x माइनस a x माइनस b इक्वल्स टू c। ब्रैकेट को ओपन करके सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, हमें मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए प्लस बी एक्स प्लस ए बी माइनस सी equals to 0. It is given one root is alpha and other root is beta. Now we know sum of roots. Sum of roots is alpha plus beta, that is a plus b, and product of roots alpha beta equals to ab minus c. So we have found out two important equations. Let us name them 1 and second is 2. हमें जो second equation दिया है, second equation is x minus alpha x minus beta plus c equals to 0. Now again opening the bracket and simplifying, x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta plus c equals to 0. Now अपने से मैं लिख रहा हूँ कि let the roots be gamma and the second root be delta. So from here I can say that sum of roots gamma plus delta equals to alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta was a plus b from option 1, and gamma delta product of roots, this is equals to alpha beta plus c. Now look carefully in second equation alpha beta plus c will be equals to ab, so we can say alpha beta plus c equals to ab. Now name them as 3 and 4. Now observing carefully equations 3 and 4, I can say that this equation, the second equation which we are given, is has roots a and b, because sum of roots is a plus b and product of roots is ab. So I can say roots are a and b. Looking back at the options, we can see option C is a plus b. So C is the correct answer to this question. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया है लेट p 4, -4 and q 9, 6 be 2 points on the parabola y square equals to 4x. तो पैराबोला जो है y square equals to 4x. Let me draw this parabola. This parabola will look like this. So this is y square equals to 4x. Now what we are given is let x be any point on the arc p or q of this parabola. Okay, p. Let p point be 4, -4. So this is in this fourth quadrant. P is 4, -4. And q is 9, 6. So first quadrant, q is 9, 6. Now we are given let x be any point on the arc p o q. This point is origin. So arc p o q, x be any point, let it be this x. Now one thing we know that y square equals to 4x parabola, any point can be used with the parametric equation t square, 2t. So we have found p is 4, -4, q is 9, 6 and x is t square, 2t. Then the area of triangle pxq जब triangle बनेगा कुछ ऐसे बनेगा pxq, area of this triangle is maximum. Then this maximum area is, now if you are given 3 coordinates, how we use formula of area? Area of triangle pxq will be equals to half times t square 2t 1 4 -4 1 9 6 1. We need to solve this determinant. It will be half times t square -4 -6 -2t 4 -9 plus 1 times 24 plus 36. This turns out to be half times minus 10t square plus 10t plus 6t. So our area function will be a equals to 5 minus t square plus t plus 6. Now we need to maximize this function. So in order to maximize the function, what we will do is dA by dt equals to 5 times minus 2t plus 1 equals to 0. We differentiate the function and equate it to 0 to find the maximum or the minimum values. So here I am getting as 2t plus 1 plus. So here I am getting t equals to half. Maximum area will be area max equals to 5 and t is half, so minus 1 by 4 plus half plus 6. This is 125 by 4 square units. Now looking at the options, 125 by 4 is option D. So here D is the correct answer to this question.